Njengoba sesibheke emaphethelweni nje ohlelo lwethu lezi ndaba zethu ezikhethekile namhlanje zosuku lokhetho nje sobuyela kumhlaziyi wethu zombusazwe uPheli Ncube asigoqele nje ukuthi umbono wakhe ngosuku lanamhlanje nokulungiselela ukhetho nokuya phambili ukuthi umbono wakhe uthini.
With election le kuhle ukuthi abantu baphumile ngobuningi babo bazovota, especially with intsha. Because issue yentsha nokuthi phambilini bebengavoti kwama levels afanele, if I may say, kuhle ukuthi kulonyaka they realize ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi baphume ngobuningi babo bavote. Ngibona ukuthi going forward into mhlambe ezoba inkinga is issue ye-IC nokwazisa abantu ngezinto eseyishintshile from election ya 2019 to election yalonyaka. Already siyabona na ku social media ukuthi baningi abantu abakhalazayo ukuthi bebengazi ngalokho nalokho izinto ebeyibalekile. So I think going forward into i-IC ekumele ukuthi bathi ukuyibhekisisa kancane just to make sure ukuthi after election abekho abantu abazocomplaina ngama results. But all in all election isahambe kahle, abantu baphume ngobuningi babo, it's a good thing.
Sibonga kakhulu ke kuPheli Ncube umhlaziyi wezombusazwe ozimele.